Vaccine front, the state says more than 195,000 doses have been administered tonight.
That's about 20,000 more than yesterday, but there are big concerns about a shortage as we move into the next phase on Monday.
7 Action News reporter Kim Russell is live now with a closer look at what they are dealing with right now. Kim?
Yes, here's the deal. Starting Monday, a lot more people are going to be eligible to get vaccines. We're talking essential workers such as school workers and people over age 65. But counties say they have just a fraction of the number of vaccines they need and also a fraction of the number of vaccines they, in theory, could administer.
There's no vaccines in these. We have plenty of space available for our vaccines here in Macomb County if and when they come our way.
Macomb County Executive Mark Hackle sent 7 Action News this video. He says when the state expanded who was eligible for the COVID-19 vaccine to people over 65 and essential employees such as school workers, the phone calls poured in. In less than an hour, all appointments to receive vaccines were filled. He says callers turned away are frustrated, and so is he.
The governor overpromised something that health departments around the state cannot deliver.
Statewide, MDHHS receives about 60,000 doses a week. We could use half of that ourselves.
Oakland County Medical Director Dr. Russell Faust says Oakland County, with current infrastructure, could deliver 30,000 doses a week and could expand that. However, it is only receiving about 2,000 doses a week. At the same time, the governor announced this.
A goal that all school districts offer an option for in-person learning no later than March 1st and earlier if possible.
I welcome any call for return to school.
Dr. Richard Macheski is superintendent of Troy Schools. He says people need to understand the district offered in-person learning until community rates increased, leading to staffing issues.
It was our ability to staff buildings. We had a number of staff and students quarantining to the point where we just could not find substitute teachers to cover classrooms.
He says vaccinating staff would hopefully ease that issue and concerns. Governor Whitmer says she believes by March a good number of school workers will be able to get the vaccine, but she admitted the state right now needs more.
We have a list a mile long of distributors and people that want to help. We need to get more vaccines into the state of Michigan so that we can deploy them.
The governor accused the federal government of withholding millions of vaccines from the states. She said the Trump administration needs to release them. We reached out to the White House. So far, we have not had any response to that. In the meantime, if you're a parent and you're wondering if you'll lose virtual learning, it's likely that many schools will continue if they move to in-person learning or offering it to offer both. So we'll see what happens in your district. Reporting live, Kim Russell, 7 Action News.
All right. Thank you so much for the update, Kim.